Picsart Tutorial Mirror. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open the Picsart app on your device and tap on the Edit Photo option to begin your project. Next, choose your main image from your gallery and adjust the canvas if needed so it fits your composition properly. Place your subject in the center of the canvas to prepare for symmetry. Open the Tools menu and select the Flip/Rotate option. Duplicate your image layer and flip the duplicated image horizontally. Move the flipped image beside the original and carefully align both images to create a clean symmetrical effect. Adjust the spacing between the images until it looks balanced and visually pleasing. Merge the layers together to combine them into one image. Open the Effects menu and apply a mirror effect if available. Then adjust the mirror intensity level to your preference. Next, open the Adjust menu and increase brightness slightly to enhance visibility. Adjust contrast for better clarity and enhance colors to give the image a more vibrant look. Add blur to the background to create depth and focus on the subject. Apply a grain texture for an aesthetic feel and insert a subtle shadow under the subject to add realism. Add a glow effect if desired to highlight the subject further. Open the Stickers tool and add aesthetic elements that match your theme. Adjust the size and opacity of the stickers so they blend naturally with the design. Add text if needed to complete your composition. Finally, review your final design carefully and make any necessary adjustments before saving or exporting your mirror photo. Ensure that all elements are properly aligned and that no edges appear uneven or distracting. Take a moment to zoom in and check fine details like edges, lighting, and blending between the two images. If something looks off, go back and slightly reposition the layers or readjust the spacing until everything looks natural. You can also revisit the Adjust and Effects menus to refine brightness, contrast, or intensity further if needed. Keep your edits subtle to maintain a clean aesthetic result.